This topic is word problem involving radical equations advanced. So when we read the word problem, notice that within that, they're going to give us an equation. So we're going to use that equation to get our answer or to solve the problem. A pendulum is L meters long. So we're going to put the length here. The time T, we'll put the time here, that it takes to swing back and forth once is given by that equation. Suppose the pendulum takes this much time to swing back and forth once. What is its length? So we're looking for L, so that will stay a variable, and they gave us the time. So we'll fill in our equation. We'll put our 6.96 to replace T equals 2 square root L. Now we need to solve for L. In order to do that, we want to get our square root by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. What is that going to be? 3.88 equals square root L. Then we're going to square both sides. So that becomes L. We need to find out what 3.88 squared is. Let's see, where's our squared? We'll use this one and put a 2. How do we get our answer? Oh, equals. Can't push it. Okay, so then we're going to put over here 15.0544. Do we need to round? Carry your intermediate computations to at least 4 decimal places and round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we round there, so it'll be 15.1. So we'll fill that in. Meters. Okay, let's see how we did. Try again. One of the digits in your answer is wrong. Check your work carefully. So we're supposed to do, okay, let's divide. Maybe I didn't divide 6.96 correctly. Let's just do that really quick. 6.96 divided by 2, 3.48. Aha. So there's my mistake. We'll change that to a 4. And then we'll square that. Let's see, I need my goodness. I make a lot of mistakes today. 12.11. So 12.1 will be our answer. We'll change that to a 12. There we go. Okay. Let's try again. All right. So we have an object is dropped from a height. Here's our this. They gave us a time. Okay. So we have 8.79 equals the square root of h over 4.9. We're going to square both sides. So we'll square 8.75. We'll square this. That way that gets rid of the square root. It was already, square root was already by itself. So I'm actually going to use a calculator for squaring this number just to be on the safe side. 8.79. Where's my decimal? Then we want to square it. Okay, so we get that number. This big number, 77.2641. We leave that number in the calculator. We're going to multiply it by 4.9 to get our answer for our height. So we'll come back to our calculator. We'll do times 4.9. There's our answer. Now let's see, we're supposed to round to the nearest tenth. It's always important to know what it says. So 378.6 will be our answer. P.S. Please subscribe to my channel. Like any videos that you might find helpful. And let me know in the comments if these videos are helping you. Okay, so we're not even going to read it. So here we have our formula. They gave us our velocity, so we'll plug that in. 4.5, we'll square root of 9.8d. We're going to square both sides. And then we will divide by 9.8. Oh, sorry. Whoa. There we go. So what was I doing? We're going to divide by 9.8. Okay, let's get our calculator. 4.5 squared. And then divided by 9.8. Oh my goodness, where's my decimal? Okay, and round to the nearest tenth, so 2.1. And that's the end of the lesson.